That is one big maple tree. It's going to give us a lot of firewood. I got to tell you, this is definitely not my best work. I tried this new method where you score around the side of the trunk so that it helps to keep me sea level. Because the problem is, especially standing on unlevel ground, I have always been terrible at trying to judge level. And as you can see, that's just how bad I've always been. But I think my biggest mistake was not making the front cut, but it was when I came around the back. I stayed on the one side, and being as wide as this diameter is, which I'm not used to cutting, I should have stopped and came around this side to see how much space I had on the other side from that front cut to the back cut, because I didn't. I was watching the saw more, and as I brought it in really close here, I should have stopped, came around here, and I would have noticed, as you can see here, that I was way off on this side, and I had that much to go almost on this side. It never dawned on me. But it ended up where I wanted it. Well, you live and learn every time. Let's just take a quick time out from the video for another GP Outdoors Christmas gift giveaway. Today's gift, one of my favorite new tools, the chain locker. It's made by Chain Locker USA, and in fact, it's made in the USA. Sturdy, strong, and it'll hold up to 20-inch chainsaw chains. If you want to be eligible to win this prize, just leave me a comment below this video. And somewhere in your comment, you need to write the words chain locker. 48 hours after the release of the video, I'll pick a winner using a random comment selector. I'll reply to your comment asking you to email me at this email address only. You've got to be 18, a resident of Canada or the Continental USA, and the rest of the contest details will be in the description under this video. Good luck to everybody. Let's get back to the video. Sorry, one more thing, just because you know me, I like to show you everything. I also did kind of a bad job on my face cut, because you know you do your cut through and then your cut down. I did okay on this side because my sides met, but on this side, this is apparently a big no-no. I'm not sure if you can see it, but see how I didn't meet the corner? I did clean this out, but what I didn't do is take a look and make sure that these two corners met. So I came down here, even though my bottom cut is under here, and I understand that's a big no-no. You're supposed to make sure that your wedge, so to speak, completely meets at the seams. Anyways, lots learned today. We'll try it again another day. All right, folks, I'm just about out of battery, so I'm sorry I can't show you the rest, but it's kind of the same thing, repeat. Thanks a lot for sticking around today. Learned a few new things, fell in that tree, as I always do. So I'll keep it in mind for next time and maybe slow down a bit. Make sure I do my little checks on all the things I should do before I drop it. But it turned out okay. We're gonna get a ton of firewood off it. Have a great week with your families. Please be kind to each other, and I'll see you again right here. I'm Gord Potter, and you've been watching GP Outdoors. Cheers. Cheers, guys. Cheers.